Every night after 50, your body is doing one of two things, either quietly burning fat or storing it. And the difference often comes down to what you eat before bed. Many over 50 seconds unknowingly sabotage their metabolism at night, thinking that eating nothing or just a little something will help, but science says otherwise. Tonight, I'll share 5 bedtime foods that support deep sleep, muscle recovery, and even help burn belly fat overnight, especially for those of us over 50. Let's begin. Don't let the word cheese fool you. Low-fat cottage cheese and plain Greek yogurt are both rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles all night long. Why does this matter after 50? Because as you sleep, your body is in repair mode. Casein helps prevent muscle loss, and more muscle means a faster metabolism. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon for blood sugar control and taste. Tart cherries are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, your sleep hormone. As we age, melatonin levels drop, and that affects both sleep quality and fat burning. A small handful of cherries or half a glass of tart cherry juice can improve sleep, reduce inflammation, and support metabolism recovery overnight. Just be sure it's unsweetened. Technically not food, but absolutely essential. Drinking warm, caffeine-free herbal tea signals your nervous system to relax. When your sleep is deeper, growth hormone rises, and that's when fat burning truly kicks in. Avoid green or black tea before bed, they contain caffeine. Go for chamomile, peppermint, or even lemon balm. Bonus: add a slice of ginger to aid digestion. You've probably heard bananas have sugar, but paired with healthy fat like almond butter, they become a powerful bedtime combo. Bananas contain magnesium and potassium, which help relax your muscles. The almond butter slows digestion, keeps blood sugar stable, and provides healthy fats that support hormone function, something that matters more than ever after 50. Keep the portion small. Think half a banana with a spoonful of almond butter. Oats aren't just for breakfast. They contain complex carbs that help your brain produce serotonin, which leads to melatonin, which leads to better sleep. And better sleep means better fat burning. A small bowl of oats with unsweetened almond milk, cinnamon, and chopped walnuts. That's not a carb bomb, that's a metabolic bedtime recharge. Remember this. Fat loss after 50 isn't just about workouts or cutting calories. It's about learning when and how to fuel your body even while you sleep. So instead of fearing food before bed, use it as a tool to support your hormones, muscles, and metabolism. Let your body heal. Let your metabolism breathe. Let your best years begin even at night. Subscribe to Prime Fit Flow, your trusted home for smart eating, metabolism support, and fitness strategies designed specifically for those over 40 and 50. Because it's never too late to start feeling like yourself again.